This is a Samsung Gem Take Apart Repair Guide. The first step will be to remove the back cover. From there we can remove the battery. We can now remove all 6 of the small Phillips screws as located in the video. With the screws removed, we can now use the Safe Open Pry tool to begin prying away the back housing from the rest of the device. Work your way around all 4 edges, releasing all of the clips. With all the clips released, we can now remove the back housing. Take note that the buttons may fall out of the housing. With the motherboard exposed, we can now use the Safe Open Pry tool to lift away the vibrate motor and also the volume button flex cable, which is adhered to the housing. We can now gently lift the motherboard up and release a single pop connector located on the back. The motherboard can now fully be removed from the device. We're now going to use the pry tool to release 2 jaw connectors as shown in the video. Simply lift the back edge and pull out the flex cable, and then remove the headphone jack from the assembly. Using a pry tool, we can now lift away the back plate, which is clipped into place. With all the clips released, we can now remove the back plate. We now have 2 more jaw connectors that need to be released. With all connections released, we can now use a hairdryer or a heat gun to begin heating the front of the screen assembly. Use quick movements around the outside edges for about 45 seconds. With all the adhesive heated, we can now use a Safe Open Pry tool. Begin prying along the outside edges of the touchscreen. Work your way around all 4 edges, releasing all the adhesive. Be sure to reheat the adhesive if necessary. Be sure to carefully feed the touchscreen Digitizer flex cable through the slot in the housing. You can now replace the touchscreen Digitizer. We can now gently pry along the outside edges of the LCD screen and remove that as well.